Flying insects are always annoying, but we've got neighbors that have chickens, so we're getting more and more of the flies and mosquitoes and things. So we went ahead and got this 2-pack of bug zappers from SPICA, and let's take a look. This is how they show up, and we'll open up this box, see how they ship. Looks like they come in 2 separate packages right away. This is the spare bulbs. It says it comes with a bunch of replacement bulbs, and the units look like they're pretty much ready to go. That's nice. And looks like we do have some instructions inside here in case we want to mount them or anything. So they have a nice tray here at the bottom. Looks like the wire got itself stuck inside of here. That should be pretty simple. Looks like it just unsnaps here to get the grate off. And then it's got a tray on the bottom that's zip tied in right now. So once you get any kind of bugs or whatever, you can pull that tray out for cleaning. Comes with a couple of UV bulbs and has a nice switch here. These can hang with hangers. There's some hardware in here as well. And there's 2 sets in this box. Hope this helps.